Body gets exposed to a virus. It has white blood cells that go and attack it. They use standard chemicals that will basically fight anything. But some white blood cells will build up antibodies, which are basically pawns specifically designed to target certain receptors on the cell. Your body remembers those and it holds these pawns in reserve so that next time your body is exposed to that virus, the pawns are waiting and ready to attack. Vaccines work by giving your body a small piece of the virus, the part that antibodies will attach to and remember, so that your body gets exposed to that and builds up the antibodies without actually having to get exposed to the virus itself. That way, when you actually do get exposed to the virus, the pawns are waiting and ready to attack. The problem is that viruses mutate. They work by standard evolution, and a virus that is not getting killed, that mutated enough where the antibodies don't recognize it anymore, will start to populate. And that new virus, the mutated virus, doesn't always work with the standard vaccine because the antibodies that you made don't always attach to that. So that's why booster shots are made. They have them every year for flu vaccines. That's why you have to get a yearly vaccine every year, because the virus mutates. And they have to make new antibodies and give you different pieces of the cell that will recognize the new mutated virus. Basically help by giving your body pawns and waiting a reserve. This is not a fail-safe. This is not a guaranteed. Sometimes if you get too much of the virus, it will overcome the antibodies that you have. Sometimes if your baseline immune system isn't good enough, it's not guaranteed. You can still get sick, but you will get sick less than you would if you didn't get the vaccine, because you wouldn't have those pawns in reserve. Yes, even with a vaccine, you can still catch the virus and you can still spread the virus. And the danger is spreading it to people who have a bad immune system or are more susceptible to the virus. So even if they did get the vaccine, they can still get sick. If enough people are vaccinated, less people are getting sick. So less people are spreading the virus because you won't have it in your body as long. You won't be spreading as much of the virus to other people. And hopefully over time it will go away. But this requires us to be spreading it less, which is what vaccines help with. So if we want the COVID virus to go away, we want life to go back to normal, our best bet right now is getting the vaccine. Because other than living sheltered lives and never interacting with another human being, this is the best thing we can do right now to help with the current situation. So yes, while it should be everyone's choice to get the vaccine, and we should never force it on anybody, I just want people to be fully aware of exactly what the vaccine is and what it does for your body, so that you can be fully informed when you make the decision and understand why we do it. There's a lot of fake information about there, a lot of fake news. Yes, of course, vaccines have side effects. They have risks. But let me tell you, as someone who actually got sick with the virus itself and completely underestimated it, it is much better than actually getting the virus itself. Like my elderly grandma who has COPD, who got COVID about a month after getting the vaccine, she for sure would have died if she didn't get the vaccine, 100%. But she got over it, and now she's back to normal. And I can tell you it's because of the vaccine. So while you should make your own decision, I just want everyone to be fully informed. And I personally think this vaccine is our best bet to getting life back to normal. And I hope that everyone gets it and doesn't believe all the fake news and that microchips are being implanted in you and ridiculous stuff like that, because scientists are really just trying to help us and get life back to normal. Thank you. Bye.